What's up, everybody? This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. So in an earlier video I kind of showed you a picture of this slab. One of y'all go over and stand so they can get an idea how big it is. So there's my partner David beside the slab, so it should give you an idea of the size of it. It's pretty damn big, I guess. So right now we're going to try to get it loaded onto our cart so that we can fabricate it. I've got all the guys in the shop out here. I'm not 100% sure what's the best way to do it. So first off, I've decided to put some aluminum bars, I guess vertical, up and down. And that's going to keep it from maybe breaking or cracking when we lay it on this cart over here. I'm not sure if I want to use the forklift to lay it over, or if I'm going to put it on this cart here with the forklift and then lay it over from that. So right now we're going to get these bars strapped to it, and I'm going to think about how I want to do it, and then I'll turn the camera back on. All right, guys, I came up with an idea. So we're going to wet this slab up so that the suction cups work real well. I want them like this rock. I don't want them to hang. Hold it like this right here, Dave. So the reason we're doing it like this is because when we're laying it over, we don't want to break the center. Same thing over here. You'll edit us out. Sometimes you gotta flip those things back and forth, make sure they stick good. And I think those are stuck well. We got a bunch of other ones here. I'm gonna put a couple more on it just to be safe. One more on the bottom of that. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So our no lift cart, it says like it's made for like 600 pounds. I actually forgot my necklace for it. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab the necklace. As I was saying, even though the no lift's only rated for 600 pounds, I know this is heavier than 600 pounds. But honestly, I think it's going to be the best way to get it on a cart. So I'm going to put it on there so that the back is up against the bearing. I like to get back on the forklift and adjust it. I'm gonna raise it up. I'm gonna move it over to this guy. Get in the center of the slab. Is that center? Yeah. need both of you, and I want one of you on the back side of this. Alright. I'm gonna raise it up. You're gonna put pressure there, okay? Alright, Tony, I want you over there with David. And we will be able to guide it here and hold the car. You guys clear on what we're doing?
I think I'll be better off.
No, you won't. Just put that top on it. Alright guys, I'm going to pull the pin. We're just going to gently lay it over, okay? Alright, now let's start with just gently lay her over. Just gently. Alright, Dave, you just keep pressure on the bottom. Alright, everybody just be gentle. Dave, you can lose your plant if you want. Put pressure on the bottom, guys, because it's getting awfully heavy. Pressure on the bottom. Alright, pressure on the bottom. Everybody just work together. Ease her in. Ease her in. Ease her in. Looking good. Looking good. Alright. Easy. I'm going to raise her up. Everybody gets scared and nervous and we just do. If we just use our brains and do what we know how to do, it's not that bad. Alright. Now, all we're going to do, because we're maxed out, we're just going to grab it here. Somebody's going to, Nate, if you go over there and grab the cart. We don't want to let the cart slide. 1, 2, 3. Alright. And I want to go a little further. 1, 2, 3. It's about almost halfway. Alright guys, I don't know how much you guys could see where I had the camera, but I needed all my manpower to get this thing on, and as you can see, we got it on. We just used a no-lift cart and a forklift to get it on the no-lift cart, and then we put our aluminum rails on there to keep it from breaking when we laid it over, which is the same way we'll do it in the home. The problem with at the house, we do not have a forklift, so we're going to have to manually lift it up onto the no-lift cart. Then we'll have to take it into the house. We will have to have every man at the shop come to the job site so that we can lay it over the same way that we did it here. I think now that we've done it once, the guys will be less nervous when we do it at the house. When you get a big top like this that weighs a lot, it's scary because it can kill you. So you just want to use your head and think about what you're doing, and you know, just take every precaution. Say you're doing it and you didn't put these aluminum rails on here, and as you're leaning it over, it breaks in half. So then you lose control because you got two separate halves. You got one guy holding pressure on the bottom, then you got a top half which is flipping over on your guys up top, crushing them. So you know, you want to take every precaution and do things right, not only to save the slab but to help save your people as well. But anyways, we got it on here, so now I'm going to cut maybe 50 pounds off of it on an Eclipse and get it all polished, and when I do the job, I will let you know how it goes. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.